This is a supplemental video to my previous wrecking yard tool video, what to take to the wrecking salvage yard and what to take on road trips. This socket set, this 1/4 inch set I went over yesterday, 62303, they're 6-point sockets. I had said 12-point, but they're 6-point. I wanted to point out I had this free socket set that we had found in a car, and I started thinking about it, and I have a bunch of these ratchets like this. So I cut this one, I cut the handle off of this one. So now I got a nice little stubby ratchet I can take out to the wrecker and stuff and get in there and turn bolts really fast. Also, I forgot to mention, you want to take a panel popper with you. If you got to take a door panel off, if you're trying to get window switches like on a Dodge pickup or something like that, invaluable. You need to have one of these with you. As I talked about last night, if you got a tight bolt and you're using wrenches, you'd come in like this, force multiplier like that. So please watch my other video where I go over all my tools I take to the wrecker. Like and subscribe.